Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup LastPass Vault data export using migration tools step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LastPass account through the official website. Once logged in, navigate to your vault. In your vault, locate the account settings menu. Click on the advanced options section. Select export to download your vault data. A prompt will appear for you to enter your master password. After entering your password, your LastPass Vault data will be exported. The file will typically be saved in a CSV format. Open the migration tool of your choice. If you don't have a migration tool, research and download one that meets your needs. Follow the installation instructions for the chosen migration tool. After installation, launch the migration tool. Look for the option to import data. In the Import section, select the CSV file you exported from LastPass. Ensure the file is correctly formatted for the migration tool. Click the Import button to begin the process. Once the import is complete, verify that all your data is accurately transferred. Check for passwords, notes, and other relevant information. If you notice any discrepancies, make necessary adjustments. Once everything looks good, proceed to save your new vault. Finally, secure your new vault with a strong master password. Your LastPass Vault data is now successfully backed up using migration tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.